Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks. Today we are taking a look at a penny stock that has a strong buy consensus and average price target with over 300% potential upside. I'm going to show you guys how I came across this penny stock using the TipRanks penny stock screener, as well as what this company does and what analysts are predicting for its future. Just before we get into that, this is your friendly reminder to check out our morning pre-market update Monday through Fridays before the opening bell, where we're getting you up to speed with everything you need to know before the market opens. So if you aren't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Now let's start off with how I used the TipRanks penny stock screener to come across this stock. So starting off from our home page here, we go under our research tools and select the penny stock screener. From here, it'll give you a whole list of penny stocks on the TipRanks website. Under our price target upside, I want to look at penny stocks that have potential over 20%. Now I'm also going to select a SMART score of at least 8 to 10, which both come in as an outperform. Now we can choose the new sentiment. I'm going to leave it for now though and open up more filters. Here there's some different options. I want to hear from our best analyst coming in with a strong buy consensus. And again, those best analysts having a price target with over 20% potential. So it gives us our list here down below. Now I want to sort, and I'm going to sort by our best analyst price target. Clicking it once, it gives me the littlest. We're going to hit it once more to sort from the highest potential at the top. First on our list there is Execure, but I did speak about them last week. So we're going to go to second on our list with an 8 on the SMART score and a 300% upside. Let's take a look at PhaseBio. So PhaseBio Pharmaceuticals, trading under the ticker PHAS. They're currently priced at $3.72 per share. As I mentioned before, the PhaseBio stock does come in as a strong buy. And that is based on 4 analyst ratings. Their average price target is $15 per share, which would be about a 303% potential upside from their current price. Taking a look at our detailed list of analyst forecasts, we do have one 5-star analyst on there from H.C. Wainwright, who gave the stock a buy rating 6 days ago with an $18 price target, which would be about a 384% potential upside. Our highest rating comes from Chad Messer at Needham with a $19 price target for over a 400% potential growth. One section I always love to check out on TipRanks is the news section. You can see all the media coverage that is happening with this company lately. It's a great way to get a feel of what's happening with the stock lately. Looking back over the last 7 days, we can quickly see that they did report their fourth quarter earnings about a week ago and did miss their earnings per share by 36 cents. We then saw Needham raise their price target to a street high, causing the PhaseBio Pharmaceuticals to gain about 14%. Shortly after this, PhaseBio announced their public offering of common stock. So super helpful to have all of that news summarized in one place. Now taking a closer look at that common stock offering, they announced the pricing of an underwritten public offering of 16 million shares at a public offering price of $3.50. The gross proceeds to PhaseBio from the offering are expected to be approximately $56 million. All of the shares to be sold in the offering are to be sold by PhaseBio, and the offering is expected to close on or about today, March 22nd, subject to customary closing conditions. So with all of that being covered, let's take a closer look at what PhaseBio Pharmaceuticals does. PhaseBio is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on the development and commercialization of novel therapies for cardiopulmonary diseases. They are determined to overcome the lack of new treatment options for serious cardiovascular diseases and provide superior outcomes for patients and the healthcare system. They're driven by high-quality science, and they leverage their team's deep expertise to rapidly develop a pipeline of unique medicines. Their pipeline includes bentrasimib, which works on the reversal of ticagrelor or blood thinner antiplatelet activity. It's currently in phase 3 of its Reverse It trial, targeting to submit their BLA in mid-2022 and expecting publication of their phase 2A trial results in the second quarter of 2021. They also have pemzibitidal for pulmonary arterial hypertension or PAH. Their phase 2b is ongoing, and they're expecting to report phase 2b data in the second half of 2021. Bentrasimab was designed to reverse the antiplatelet activity of ticagrelor in the event of major bleeding or when urgent surgery is required. Ticagrelor is an antiplatelet therapy widely prescribed to reduce the rates of death, heart attack, and stroke in patients with ACS who have previously experienced a heart attack. Uncontrolled major bleeding, though, is the main adverse event associated with those types of therapies. Ticagrelor binds to platelets to prevent them from forming blood clots that could restrict blood flow. And patients on ticagrelor who need urgent surgery cannot wait the recommended 5 days for the effects of ticagrelor to dissipate, meaning they're at an increased risk of major bleeding during and after surgery. Bentrasimab is the only specific reversal agent in development for ticagrelor, and it binds to ticagrelor with high affinity and specificity to reverse the antiplatelet activity of ticagrelor, as illustrated by data from their phase 1 and phase 2a clinical trials. Pemzivipidol is a receptor-selective agonist that they're investigating for treatment of pulmonary arterial hypertension. Now, VIP is a neurohormone that lowers blood pressure and has anti-inflammatory and antifibrotic activity, as well as having direct positive effects on cardiac function. Native VIP is rapidly degraded and, when injected into the body, is eliminated within minutes, severely limiting its therapeutic effect. But they've used ELP technology to extend that effective half-life of VIP to approximately 60 hours. Key takeaways from PhaseBio is that their bentrasimab clinical development program is enrolling ahead of schedule. The need for these inhibitor reversals is completely unmet in today's medical practice, and they believe the commercial opportunity is significant and underappreciated. So I know there was a lot of science in those last couple of minutes, and I apologize. I tried to summarize it as simply as I could to help you get a grasp on what the company is working on. But that's why it's great to have some 5-star analysts who deal with these types of companies frequently weighing in with their thoughts. And those come in as a unanimous strong buy with some very attractive upside potential. So let me know your thoughts on this stock in the comments down below and how you utilize Penny Stock Screener to find new investment ideas. Please keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for education and entertainment purposes. Always make sure to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision, especially with penny stocks, as they can be extremely volatile. So make sure that you are understanding all of the risks associated. Don't forget to catch my pre-market morning update Monday through Friday with videos out before the opening bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.